This is a monumental discovery, one that could change everything we know about our place in the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, humanity's most advanced space observatory, has only just opened its eyes to the cosmos, and already it's revealing mysteries so vast and deep that they make us question everything. The most thrilling aspect of this telescope is its ability to uncover the unexpected. It's discovering things we never thought possible, forcing us to reimagine our understanding of the universe. And that, my friends, is what makes this mission so exciting, finding things we didn't even know to look for. The JWST is so powerful that, if we spent enough time with it, we could map every galaxy that has ever existed, and perhaps more. Its capabilities are almost limitless. And now, it's given us something truly staggering, a faint glow from a distant exoplanet, Proxima B. This is no ordinary discovery, and it has sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Could this be a sign that we are no longer alone in the cosmos? Could this be evidence of intelligent life beyond Earth? If this discovery turns out to be genuine, we might be closer than ever to finding extraterrestrial life. So, what exactly did the James Webb Space Telescope discover? Proxima B has been a subject of fascination for astronomers ever since it was first discovered in 2016. It's a small exoplanet, just 4.24 light-years away from Earth. In the vastness of space, that's practically in our backyard. But what makes Proxima B so intriguing, is that it orbits a star called Proxima Centauri, which lies within the habitable zone of its system, an area where conditions could allow liquid water to exist. Liquid water is one of the key ingredients for life as we know it. This discovery led many to speculate, could Proxima B harbor life? But there's a problem. Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf star, known for its violent behavior, often emitting powerful solar flares. These flares can strip away a planet's atmosphere and bombard its surface with harmful radiation, making it a challenging place for life to survive. Despite these challenges, scientists have remained hopeful, focusing their efforts on studying Proxima B in more detail, hoping that it might still hold some surprises. That's when the James Webb Space Telescope came into play. Equipped with infrared instruments, JWST can see far deeper and with more precision than previous telescopes. Its powerful tools can detect faint emissions from distant objects, including exoplanets like Proxima B. Scientists were hoping to learn more about the planet's atmosphere, surface, and whether it might contain signs of biological activity. What they didn't expect was what the telescope actually found, a faint, steady glow coming from the planet's night side. This glow wasn't the result of volcanic activity, auroras, or any natural phenomenon we've observed before. Instead, it resembled the kind of artificial lighting we'd expect to see from a city at night, something incredibly strange and unprecedented. This discovery has left astronomers and scientists scratching their heads. Could we have just stumbled upon signs of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization? Could this be evidence of intelligent life on Proxima B? While it's still too early to draw definitive conclusions, the notion that we might have found artificial lights on an exoplanet raises some exciting possibilities. Lights are often associated with advanced civilizations, and the idea that Proxima B might have something akin to our cities and infrastructure is enough to make anyone's heart race. Could this be a beacon of extraterrestrial intelligence? The thought alone is enough to make us reconsider everything we thought we knew about life in the universe. What would it mean if these lights are artificial? If the glow detected by the James Webb Space Telescope is truly the product of artificial lighting, then we are dealing with a civilization far more advanced than anything we have encountered so far. This isn't just the discovery of simple microbial life or basic organisms. No, this could be intelligent beings capable of shaping their environment, possibly even constructing massive cities, complex structures, and advanced technologies. This discovery, if verified, would be a game changer, perhaps the most significant discovery in the history of human space exploration. But as mind-blowing as this is, it also brings with it a host of questions. How advanced are these beings? Are they a civilization that is comparable to ours, experiencing similar technological growth and challenges? Or are they far beyond us, wielding technologies we can't even begin to imagine? The lights are spread across a significant portion of the planet, which could mean either one massive metropolis or multiple smaller settlements, scattered around the planet. Either way, it points to an organized society, not just random, isolated flashes of light. Then there's the question of how they power these lights. Proxima B orbits a red dwarf star, which is much cooler and dimmer than our Sun. This raises an intriguing possibility: perhaps these beings have found creative ways to harness energy, possibly through methods far more advanced than anything we've come up with on Earth. Could they be utilizing energy sources we haven't even discovered yet? Could they be harnessing the energy of their star in ways that could help us solve our own energy problems here on Earth? What if these lights are the last remnants of a civilization? Of course, there's also the possibility that these lights represent the last remaining traces of a once thriving civilization now in decline. Perhaps Proxima B was once home to a flourishing, advanced society, but due to internal conflicts, environmental collapse, or some other catastrophic event, the civilization faded away, leaving only the faint glow of its cities behind. Alternatively, these lights could be a sign that the civilization is still alive and well, flourishing despite the challenges posed by its red dwarf star. This leads to another profound question: should we attempt to make contact? How would we approach such a civilization, assuming they are indeed out there? And more importantly, would they view us as a potential threat? History has shown us that when two civilizations meet, whether on Earth or elsewhere, it doesn't always go smoothly. There are countless examples where encounters between cultures have resulted in both cooperation and conflict. The discovery changes our understanding of life in the universe. This discovery forces us to rethink everything we've known about the conditions necessary for life. For years, scientists believed that planets orbiting red dwarf stars, like Proxima Centauri, were unlikely to host life, due to the intense solar flares these stars emit. But if Proxima B is indeed home to an advanced civilization, it would challenge everything we thought we knew about habitability. And since red dwarf stars are the most common type of star in our galaxy, this discovery suggests that there could be many other planets orbiting such stars that could also support life. Suddenly, the universe feels a whole lot bigger and more crowded. Space exploration, the next frontier. Proxima B, being only 4.24 light-years away, is relatively close in astronomical terms. While this distance still seems unfathomable to us, it opens up the possibility for future space missions. Perhaps in the not-too-distant future, we'll be able to send probes, or even crewed missions, to explore Proxima B and uncover its secrets. The discovery of artificial lights makes it an even more compelling target for exploration. After all, if a civilization that advanced exists there, it could completely transform our understanding of space, energy, and technology. A new approach to SETI, searching for more than signals for decades, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, SETI, has focused on detecting signals, like radio waves, from distant civilizations. But this discovery of artificial lights suggests that perhaps we should broaden our search. Instead of only listening for signals, we might need to start looking for other signs of advanced technology, massive energy-producing structures, city lights, or even large-scale engineering projects that could reveal the existence of extraterrestrial intelligence. The possibility of real-time communication. One of the most exciting aspects of this discovery is the possibility of establishing real-time communication. Proxima B is only 4.24 light-years away, which means that any signal we send could receive a response in just over 9 years. This is revolutionary compared to the centuries or millennia it would take to communicate with civilizations located further away in the galaxy. The thought of actually communicating with another intelligent species, and possibly establishing a dialogue, could be the beginning of a new chapter in human history. What about their biology and technology? If these lights are a sign of intelligent life, we must consider the possibility that the inhabitants of Proxima B have evolved under extreme conditions. How did they survive in such a hostile environment? Perhaps they've developed technologies that allow them to protect their cities from the radiation of their red dwarf star. Or maybe they've adapted biologically to thrive in such an environment. As for their technology, what if their energy sources are beyond our comprehension? Could they have developed power sources like antimatter reactors or harnessed the energy of their star in ways we can only dream of? If they've achieved such feats, it could revolutionize our understanding of what's possible for our own future. The cultural implications, the patterns of light on Proxima B could tell us a lot about the structure of this civilization. Are the lights spread evenly across the planet, suggesting a highly connected, global society? Or are they concentrated in specific areas, hinting at city-states or regions with different priorities? Understanding these patterns could give us valuable insights into how this alien society functions, its political structure, urban planning, technological priorities, and perhaps even its philosophy. The road ahead, there's no denying that this discovery has captured the public's imagination. The thought of intelligent life, so close to us, is both thrilling and humbling. The possibilities are endless. What if we could learn from their society, exchange ideas, and collaborate on solving some of the universe's greatest challenges? Or, what if their civilization has already collapsed, and the lights we see are just echoes of the past? So, what do you think? Should we attempt to make contact with this extraterrestrial civilization? Or should we proceed